In this video, I will show you how to enable and also use gesture navigation on your Google Pixel 11, also 11 Pro. First, if you go in your settings, then click display and touch. And you see under navigation mode, we can enable the gesture navigation. It even says you how to use it. Okay. So if you want to go to the home screen, so you simply quickly swipe up from the bottom of the screen and so you can go home. Yep. If you want to go back, you simply swipe from the left corner here, as this, as you see, and then you can go back and towards anywhere. So for example, if I enter some web page here, okay, after I'm done, if I want to go back again, I hold like this and you see it goes back. So simply swipe like this. Also I can swipe further up as well if you want to go back. So pretty much anywhere. So you see even on the top as well. So it doesn't matter. Yep. And then if you want to open all your background apps, you simply swipe up and hold a bit. So either from this corner, so you swipe up and hold a bit for maybe like half a second, and then you see you can switch between the different apps. If you simply quickly swipe up, you can return to the main. If you swipe up and hold a bit, then you can see basically the apps that you have in the background. So again, quickly just up will return you to the main screen, but if you swipe up and hold, it will allow you to switch between the apps. And also you can swipe up and hold from anywhere on the screen, I think. Yep, so see from this corner, in the middle, and here. If you swipe up and hold a bit, you can switch the app view. Okay, like